It's a Friday. It's twice big Friday, you know. Studio, they say my style is original. I don't get money or credit from a woman. No, I hit the technology on me. Tired of being somebody. Tired of being somebody.
What's good, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today we have the Air Jordan True Blue 3s. Now, the difference with this video is they actually came out today. It's July 18th. We're shooting it today. We putting it out today. So you will see this video today. So we're gonna go over the shoes. I have a preschool, grade school, and men pair. Also gonna talk about how they sold today, because I know I talked about that in previous videos about how the market is doing on shoes, how shoes are not really worth the price, yada, yada, yada. All right. Still on the road to 10K subscribers, so make sure y'all keep subscribing. Again, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting the channel. Let's get into it. Gonna start with the men, of course. Has the face box. Grade school also comes with the same box. Preschool doesn't. Show you the size tag. White, fire red, and true blue. How they come in wrapped. Elephant print on the paper. They last released in 2016. Now they're back in 2026. That's a 10-year difference. So being that a shoe dropped 10 years ago, I would expect it to sell a little bit more. But yeah, this is the shoe. We have white leather, white soft leather. We have the elephant print near the toe box and the heel. Also have it near the laces. We have true blue color eyelets, white laces. On the tongue, we have a fire red embroidered Jumpman. This is the back. We have red on the back of the tongue. As you can see, the sock lining is true blue. True blue right here. True blue Nike Air on the back. Then on the bottom, you got Nike in that fire red. Got the gray. I do think Nike dropped the ball on these. I think this would have been a great shoe for the 4th of July, sales-wise. You know, you got all the colors, got the cookouts, parties and stuff going on. People might want to get a little festive and wear the colors of the American flag. Yeah, so I definitely think it would have sold better because people who probably don't care about it being an OG or buying it now on July 18th probably would have bought it July 4th just to have something to wear. Also come with this hang tag in plastic. The retail price is $230, which is pretty steep for the men's size. The preschool and the grade school and the toddler did not change, but the men's size did change. So I will say I'm a bit confused as to why they wouldn't increase the price on the other sizes, grade school, preschool, toddler, but only on the men's size. Back in 2016, it was $220, so that's a $10 increase from 10 years ago, which is honestly not bad if we're going off of this shoe personally. Well, this shoe solely, but I just think like it's kind of crazy to up the men price, but not up the other shoes. So men, how are y'all feeling about that? Let me know in the comments. Do y'all think $230 is reasonable, or do y'all think it's unfair that y'all shoes are more and my size personally is not? And also being that the market on these is about $180 and under, and the shoe is $230 retail, I just don't think it's fair. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about that in the comments. I'm gonna show y'all the other sizes. Grade school, this is the box, same box as the men. Same paper. I'm gonna only take one out. This is grade school. I would say it's definitely a clean shoe, definitely something that I would buy, to be honest. I haven't been wanting to buy anything that's been coming out of the last couple months, but I definitely like these for sure. Same details. The grade school pair is actually not made bad. If I'm going based off of just this one, it's not made bad because you know the grade school would be like quality be so poor. One thing that is different is the bottom has Jordan on the grade school and then it has the Nike on the men's. Yeah, like I said, the quality on the grade school, I'm not really mad at. I actually really like this shoe. Definitely would say I would cop this for sure. I'm gonna show y'all the preschool really quickly. Again, preschool did not come in the same box, nor wrapped the same. It's the preschool. No Nike Air on the back, just the Nike and the swoosh. Giving 4RM vibes for sure. I never liked the way the preschool shoe is like shaped. Like, it just looks so weird to me. I did hear that some people are passing on the True Blue 3s because of the Wizard 3s that came out a few years ago, and they do look pretty similar, but I definitely would say the True Blue 3s look a lot better than those. Even though they are similar, I just like the details on these way more. But yeah, like I said, these did come out today, July 18th. Men was $230 and grade school was about $155. But yeah, today the OGs definitely took some disrespect. A lot of people wanted this shoe. Like I said, these dropped 10 years ago. So to say that they're not selling out right now is kind of crazy. But yeah, let me know in the comments if y'all cop this shoe. Let me know, men, or not even just men, people that wear men's sizes. Let me know how y'all feel about that price tag. And yeah, this pretty much wraps up the review. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And again, thank y'all for watching. Peace.
Stripes when you beat the body in the studio. They say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my dab, hit a voicemail. I can't